How to buy American Eagle token. So this token came under the symbol of Eagle. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also, there is referral codes down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply go to below, fund your account and enjoy the benefits. Check the amount in the description now. Before going on by this token, make sure to check the REFERRAL account and keep following the updates about this token. So as you can see, this token is available on the screener. It created 5 hours ago and increased by 1000% in the last 24 hours. The liquidity here unlocked by 100%. That's mean your investment in the safe place. This token also trended number 2 on Solana section. To be able to buy this token, it's easy and simple. Copy the token address from here. This token address, as you can see, it's under this Solana network. Open your wallet. For that, I will use the Phantom wallet. Now we'll just plug into my wallet first. So what you need to do, click on swap and make sure that you have enough Solana on your wallet. Now click here and paste the token address. So as you can see, this is our token. Click on it and here type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you receive. Now after that, select provider, for example Jupiter, and make sure to read all the information here and click on swap. So we will be able to redirect you to Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. Now if you face an issue, go back to this page and switch the slippage from here or custom it, because the most of issues came from the slippage, and after that you can be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy Eagle token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.